And Cape Fear traffic, Cessna 48842 is taxiing to runway 5, Cape Fear. Okay, we'll roll forward here. Very good. Check our brakes. Yep. Brakes work. You want to check yours? Okay, good deal.
Cape Fear Cardinal 114, departing the pattern to the northwest, Cape Fear.
Cape Fear traffic, Banner 2848 Delta 500 southwest bound.
We're good to go. All right. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, which way are we going to depart?
We will depart to the southeast.
Southeast, okay. Cape Fear traffic, Cessna 842, departing runway 5, Cape Fear.
You want to do any specialty? You want to do a soft field takeoff, or you want to?
We'll just do a normal. It's been a while since I've been in a high wing. Okay, lining up here. I'll straighten out, watch out for the birds, and we'll full throttle it. There we go. Full throttle. Gauges are in the green. Airspeed is coming alive. There's 50, 55, we'll just pull her up. Going to the right rudder, climb out at about 70.
Looking good. Have a little bit of chop down low.
Yep.
Calms down a little bit, about 700-800. Cape Fear traffic, Pilatus 8790 Foxtrot, Cessna runway 5 at Delta, taxiing Alpha for departure Cape Fear. Our visibility to the west is spectacular. It's getting better on the ocean side, but not a bad view.
Not bad at all today. I'm so used to it. I'm still fixated on my instruments from all this instrument flying. I just want to look.
That's right.
There.
Cape Fear traffic. Well, as you fly more, you're going to find that you will runway 5. Cape Fear. Much easier in the system to even fly instruments.
Oh yeah.
And I tell all of my students now, fly VFR like you're flying IFR. You'll not only be a better pilot, but it'll also enhance your learning as you go forward.
And Cape Fear traffic, Cessna 842, departing pattern to the southwest, Cape Fear.
Southeast.
Southeast for 842, Cape Fear. Any particular altitude?
Yeah, let's go up to about 1,500 feet.
1,500? Okay. You want a heading of what, 150?
Yeah, 150 will be great on the heading, 1,500 feet. When you get it stabilized, we'll slow the airplane down. We'll continue to head out over the ocean and slow it down to about 50.
50. And just like that. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can slow her down a little bit. We'll put her.
Yeah, 2,000 in calm heat will put you right at flap operating speed.
Really?
Yep.
At 2,000. Okay, and we're in the wide arc, so we'll throw in a notch flaps.
Okay.
Another notch flaps. And another notch flaps.
Cape Fear traffic,
Throwing that right rudder there.
100 feet on departure and runway 5, departing to the west, Cape Fear.
And pitch for airspeed, there's 45, we want 50. Having those down just a little bit.
Looks great. Okay, now take me on down to 40, and we'll just hear our stall warning going off, and and you can recover.
There's our stall warning. You want me to stall it?
Yeah, if you'd like to, full stall will be fine with me.
I'll just pull power since we already got full flaps.
Turn to 1, 10 minutes till skydiver's in the air with the Brunswick Airport.
Please bring that power all the way off.
Skydiver's in the air.
And there we go, notch flaps.
She doesn't hardly want to brake.
Do what now?
I said she doesn't want to brake.
Yeah.
It's so stable, so you got to have that power all the way off to even get it to brake at all.
Positive rate, another notch flaps.
Yeah, you're looking great.
Climb a little bit more, buddy. There we go, notch
That was
flaps.
great.
Head back over here on our heading.
All right, and Mark, we'll continue to head out over the ocean, and when you get it stabilized, let's set up. We'll do let's do a couple steep turns. We'll get over the land here.
Sure.
And we'll do a steep turn to the left and roll out. We'll use
Cape Fear traffic, Cherokee 56015, 4.5 miles final, runway 5.
we'll use 120 on the heading, and okay, whenever you're ready, and we are clear to the left, so you can give me a 360 degrees. Let's do a steep turn to the left.
Using heading 120?
120 on the heading.
Okay, so we'll do a steep turn to the left. We are clear to the left. We'll roll in 3, 2, 1. We'll add a touch of power. Roll in here 45 degrees.
All right, then trim it up and then take your hands off.
Yeah, 2, 3, 4.
There you go. Looking great. Looking great. 120 on the heading.
And right rudder.
And you are clear to the right.
Okay, clear to the right. We'll do
Traffic, Cherokee 56015, short final, runway 5. Cape Fear traffic.
45. 45. There we go. So don't lose that altitude.
So it's traffic, AC-5352's on the left upwind, climb through 3,000 depart.
There we go.
Well,
altitude's a little bad, but
That's okay. You got it stabilized.
and here we come. 120, and there we go.
Fantastic. Great recovery. All right, we just lost our engine.
Okay. We want to find a place to land, but first we want to pitch to best airspeed, which is 60 knots. And you know, if this were an actual thing, we've got a nice straight beach out here
Absolutely.
that I would just probably set myself up for a left base.
Yep.
And we'll just take her right down to the beach.
Yep. And you can trim that up. And at 60, you can trim it all the way back, and it'll be hands off. Make it easy for you to get ready to bail out, right?
Yep. You got your parachute on?
Absolutely.
All right. Okay, we'll watch that. That's 60 knots right there.
Yeah.
No, 65.
Yeah.
Now she's
Just about all the way back, and,
Yes.
and pitch her down. She'll be right on 60.
up.
Yeah. This plane is so stable, rigged well.
Yep. Now we'll just line it up. I see some cars down there. Do we have a horn on here we can blow?
We can blow the horn, or open the window
And wave.
wave.
Like, hey, 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 hey. Or we could, you know, land out here in the bog or in the marsh. You got your swim trunks on, right?
I do. I got my Scooby-Doos underneath.
Okay. And while we're doing that, we want to make sure that our mixture's rich, flaps are up, fuel shutoff valve is good.
Traffic, Cherokee 56015.
And squawk 7700, 77 going to heaven.
Yep.
And carb heat, pull that carb heat on, make sure that you don't have any carburetor ice.
And she's solid.
Yes.
Now, what's so nice about this part of the beach, Mark,
Yeah.
is because here on Baldhead, there's no cars allowed on
Yeah.
this side, right?
That's great.
So you can say, all right, man. You got the runway. All right, let's
Okay,
go around.
let's go around here. We'll full power.
Great.
Get some of that trim out of there.
Yeah. All right, take me back to the airport.
Sure thing, sir. Cape Fear traffic, Cessna 842, circling for a left downwind, runway 5, Cape Fear.
Got one parachute over the field at 1,000 feet.
842, we got that jumper. Now the speeds marked I've used on this airplane is just me. 2,000, beam, 10 degrees of flaps.
Yep.
17, and then start on descent.
I usually use 15.
Okay,
and then
you're
10
good.
degrees, and then 70.
You're good.
Don't want to make sure that I'm not turning into the field though. Okay. We'll just drift on down here a little further.
All right, we'll make this one a soft field landing.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's been a while since I've done one of those.
All right, just good and slow. Just main thing I want is to get in that ground effect and hold it off. Stall warning. Mains hit first, and then hold off that nose.
Cape Fear traffic, Cessna 842, left base, runway 5, Cape Fear.
Looking great.
Okay, there's that. We'll hold 60 now. Trimmed up very nicely.
Ellis Unicom, Wisconsin 3832, 5 mile final, runway 5.
And Cape Fear traffic, Cessna 842, turning final, runway 5, Cape Fear. I feel that squirreliness coming in.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that final notch of flaps, and we want 55. Pitch for airspeed, power for altitude. A bit of a crosswind as well.
Not too slow. All right, now get in that ground effect. Pitch her down, get in the ground effect. And we'll let her.
If we can hit that box. Whoop.
All right. Okay. Go.
Go.
Yep.
Cape Fear traffic, Cessna 842, touch and go, Cape Fear.
The other day we came out here and they had the helicopter out here. They had a citation coming in. They had the jump operations. Had 3 parachutes over the runway with the guy descending down and 3 training airplanes.
Y'all stay busy, don't you?
It was busy that day.
Okay, we're at our
700? Yep.
Do another?
No, go ahead.
Okay. Another traffic pattern?
Yeah, we'll do one more.
Cape Fear traffic, Cessna 842, left crosswind, runway 5, Cape Fear.
And ideally, when we get a beam the midpoint of the runway, if you're about 0.8, go ahead and turn it downwind.
Okay. Cape Fear traffic, Cessna 842, left downwind, runway 5, Cape Fear.
Because you just never know about that engine, right?
I kind of suspected that was coming.
Cape Fear traffic 842, simulate engine out. All right.
Okay, so we want to trim for 60. just turn it on in here to the runway.
Let's see you hit that 1,000-foot strip.
Oh, gosh. Bringing the pain today, aren't you?
When you're good, you got to be challenged. You haven't been challenged yet.
All right, Ron, I'll see you back at Walls.
Not be able to do this without any flaps. Easy does it, easy. How's that? How's that peak?
Not bad. That's good, man. You're good by me.
All right, fantastic. Get some brakes here.
Yeah.
We may not get started.
Yeah,
we'll get Delta.
Yeah. Good job.
Thank you. That was fun.
I wanted to give you a little something that challenge you a little bit. Didn't want to make it too easy because you got to have something you show differently on YouTube.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely. That was pretty much a Power Off Precision 180, wasn't it?
It was.
That was a commercial.
That's right, commercial. I'm getting you prepped for that CFI position.
That's right. There we go.